Construct a pentagon. I want to go to geometric page, and to make where we can see better, I'm going to go to scaling 200%. I'm going to start with a circle. I know that you can do it using the polygon tool under shapes, but to do a construction we would do it in this manner. Draw a circle. Then I want to create a line through the circle. I'm going to make it a line. I want it to go through the center. If I hold down the shift as I go across, it will make it straighter. Then I want to go back, grab the other end, and stretch it all the way across. From here, I'm going to make a line segment to go from one side to the other, right on top of the line. Then I want to construct a perpendicular to this point through this line. Again, I'm going to escape, and I'm going to stretch the line out to the edges. And my circle may be a little bit big, so I'm going to shrink it down a little. We can adjust it as we go along. Once I have my crosshairs, as it were, for my circle, then I want to find the midpoint between one of the radii and the center. So again, I go to construction, pick midpoint, go from the outer edge to the center, and is designated. Then I want to create a line and want it to go from the intersection of the bottom crosshair through my point, my midpoint that I just drew. Again, I want to take that and extend it on out. That's my reference point. From here, I want to draw a circle that goes from my midpoint to the outside edge of the major circle. Come back and draw a circle from the bottom up to where it meets the first circle. Finish it off by doing a circle that goes to the outside of this circle. From here, I've got the reference points that I need. I'm going to hide my minor circle here. I'm through with it. I'm also through with the point. And this point, all of my points in fact, so I'll just go ahead and hide them. I don't want to delete them because then it will also delete the things that are referenced by it. And I did mess up there, so I'm going to do my famous Control Escape, put my circle back. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish getting rid of the points that I do not need. And notice it says points. It tells you what it's going to hide. And I said delete, but I'm actually hiding. I did not want to do that. Undo it. Go back and hide my point. Okay, from here I'm ready to start drawing my lines, and I want segments this time. I'm going to go from my circle intersections. You notice it shows you it's an intersection point to my intersection point on my crosshair. Click it again to pick it up as the beginning of my next line down. Follow through from this point down to this circle, from this circle across, and then back up. Now that I'm finished, I can hide my reference points. I get rid of hide the circles, the line, and the crosshair, and the line here. When I get through, I click outside, hit escape, and I have my pentagon. If I grab a point, I cannot, yeah, if I grab a point, it will not let me rotate it. I want to make sure that this is right, so I'm going to do a measurement of this segment, each of my segments, verify that it is correct. I can also do a measurement of my angles. (108). We know that's correct because if we take the number of sides minus 2 times 180, that gives us the total of the angles, which comes out to 540. Divide that by the number of sides, which is 5, gives us each angle is 108 degrees. You can verify all of the angles in such a manner. We can clean up the appearances by going back and hiding the points. Be careful what you are hiding. As you see, I had hid the segment, which I didn't want to, so I clicked on it again and it showed it. It's a toggle. Here I've got my big circle I need to get rid of, and now I've got my pentagon.